Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol OPTI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, unfortunately today, the price tried to bounce, and it showed that it could bounce, but the problem was it just wasn't able to maintain those gains that it had done, and unfortunately rolled back over, which does create another interesting potential scenario. First thing I'm going to do, though, is just get rid of that line right there. Sure, level pertains, but we now have a much more clear level that just helps keep the chart decluttered. And that key level of resistance now is very clearly becoming that purple line there, which is the very well-known, the very famous 50-period moving average. So, can't necessarily say that that's shocking to see. But if you go through the history of things, you can see right there, acted as resistance once again, and then on the bounce up here, it didn't hit it exactly, but I think we'd all agree, got well within the vicinity of it, and once again was rejected. So that is, going to be the key level of resistance to watch moving forward. So you're definitely going to want to keep a very, very close eye on that. But earlier I mentioned, another potential interesting dynamic, and that dynamic is right here at the nickel cent mark at 5 cents. And for those of you that even have really just kind of a surface deep understanding of patterns, the double bottom pattern, I'm sure you've heard of it. And right here we have bottom one, nice bounce. Yeah, it rolled back over, but right here you can see the price actually slightly bounce above there. Now, don't get me wrong. There's still a lot of more work that needs to be done here in order to generate this. But at this point, it's not like the price came down here and then just crashed right down through it and kept on going. No, the price, like I said, actually did get a little bit of a bounce right there. So is it guaranteed to continue to bounce? No, absolutely not. No such thing as a guarantee. Is it a rational thought to have that, hey, maybe this is some sort of double bottom that's taking place? Yeah, that's more than valid. So keep an eye on that. But that is why 5 cents is definitely very important, because if the price all of a sudden just crashes down through there, well then no, there's not any sort of double bottom. And that was just kind of a fake little bounce right there. But potential double bottom going forward. So let's see what happens with it. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.